Hello, have you ever started to study? But after a few minutes, you found that your mind is wandering here and there? In this video, we are going to discuss 4 ways that will help you to study with focus. Let's get started. Imagine that you have an exam in physics tomorrow, so you sit down to study. But how many of us actually know what we are studying? Most of the time, what happens is that we just keep on reading the same paragraph again and again. But when we are asked to recall what we have studied, we find that we don't remember anything. Or sometimes we solve a problem, but most of the time we don't even know how we solved it. So how can we fix this issue? What are those things that we should do to study with focus? Let's find out. First, the Pomodoro technique. Do you know that our brain doesn't remain focused for a long time? That's why most of the students feel lazy and bored after a few minutes of studying, and they find it difficult to concentrate. To tackle this problem, one of the most effective ways is the Pomodoro technique. The basic idea behind this technique is that if we divide our study time into small chunks and force our brain to focus only on the study for a small duration of time, then we can increase our concentration. According to this technique, you have to set a timer of 25 minutes and sit for studying without any distraction until the timer rings. After the timer rings, you have to take a short break of 5 minutes. After completing for such cycles, you can take a long break of 15 to 30 minutes. During the break, you can do some other activities like going for a walk, listening to music, or talking to your friends. This technique is very useful because it keeps your mind fresh and you don't feel lazy or bored while studying. Also, if you want, you can decrease or increase the duration of study as well as the break according to your need. You can use a timer or a dedicated app to track the intervals. Second, setting small and clear goals. Goal setting is another very important thing that helps to achieve desired results. Many students start their study session without having a clear goal in their mind and just pick up a book and start studying. They just keep on reading or solving problems randomly without knowing what they are studying. If you also do the same, then trust me, you are not utilizing your time properly. So before starting your study session, always make a decision about what exactly you want to finish during that session. For example, if you want to solve problems, then pick up a question paper and decide that you will solve 10 problems from a specific chapter. Or, if you want to read a theory, then pick up a book and highlight the points that you want to cover in that session. This method is very useful because when you have a clear goal, it gives direction to your mind and it helps you to engage with what you are doing. Also, when you complete a small goal, a sense of satisfaction occurs, which motivates you to complete the next task. Third, create a suitable study environment. Another way to study with focus is to create a suitable environment for studying. It has been proven that environment plays a crucial role in increasing concentration. If you study in a noisy place or in a place where there are many distractions, then it is very difficult to focus on your studies. So try to find a quiet place where you can study without any distraction. Make sure that there is proper lighting, a comfortable chair, and keep all the materials that you need within reach. Because if you have to get up from your seat every now and then, it will break your concentration. Also, keep your mobile phone away or activate focus or do not disturb mode because notifications and messages from your friends can distract you and can break your concentration. A suitable environment will help your mind to associate that particular place with focus and productivity. Fourth, practicing mindfulness techniques. One of the best ways to increase your concentration level is by practicing mindfulness techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercise, and so on. When we sit to study, most of the time our mind is full of thoughts, worries, and stress related to exams. All these things reduce our concentration level and make it difficult to study. So to get rid of this problem, practice meditation for a few minutes each day. Even a few minutes of meditation before starting to study can make a big difference in your focus level. So these are the 4 methods that will help you to study with focus. Try these methods and let us know which method works best for you. We hope that these methods will be really helpful for you. Do you not forget to subscribe and activate the notification button to receive the best innovative techniques in all fields. Thank you and all the best for your exams.